First, let's take care of the lettuce. Peel the lettuce very carefully, not to break them, one at a time. It's easier to take from the top and then peel them off slowly. If you tear the lettuce at the end a little bit, it's okay because we're going to shape the lettuce later. This is part of the lettuce that is crunchy, and that's the part that we want to use. So take a scissor to cut the ends off, and it's like this. It can fit in your palm comfortably. That's the lettuce that we want. And after you cut it into this shape, you soak it in the cold water so the lettuce will stay crunchy. You can use the cut off lettuce for something else, like the stir-fry iceberg lettuce with mushroom, and I'll put the link down on the recipe. Let's dice the onion. Three shiitake mushrooms soaked in cold water. Shiitake mushroom is reconstituted, and let's squeeze out the water. Let's prepare the mushroom. I love the smell of shiitake mushroom. It smells so good, even without cooking it. You can find these sweet mini peppers in your local grocery store. They are very crunchy and have a very nice sweet taste to it. They're perfect for this dish. Let's cut up some ginger. Let's dice the shrimp into a big chunk also. made some eggs Benedict this morning for breakfast, and we have some egg white left, which is perfect to marinate the shrimp. A pinch of salt. Stir it well. Let's put about 1 egg white, about half a teaspoon of cornstarch, and mix it well. Let's put some oil in the wok, about 1 tablespoon. Swirl it around. Make sure the wok is coated with oil. Turn the stove to medium-high heat. Let's put in shrimp. Stir fry it really fast. With the medium heat, let's put in another teaspoon of oil. Let's put in onion. Usually we fry the onion until it's translucent, but in this dish we are looking for the crunchiness of the veggie also, so we're not going to fry the onions that long. About a few seconds. Let's put in ginger. I don't need that much ginger. About 1 teaspoon ginger. Let's put in mushroom. So we are layering it up so to release the flavor of the vegetable. And let's put in celery. And let's put in the bell peppers. Let's put in 1 pinch of salt. And let's put in the shrimp. Some white pepper. A tiny bit of few drops of cooking wine. Give it a quick stir. Voila! is ready. So let's plate the dish. Let's take out the lettuce from the water bath. Make sure shake out all the excess water. You can serve them with hoisin sauce or sweet chili sauce, but personally I like them just the way they are.